What if Jupiter never existed?
No problem. I will give company to Saturn, Jupiter's lonely neighbor.
Oh, Aumsum. As per Roman mythology, Jupiter is the god of thunder, lightning, and storms. It is the largest planet in our solar system, and its mass is about 2.5 times the total combined weight of all the other planets in our
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Police Department of the City of Reno and the United States Geological Survey. A sharp increase in seismic activity has been observed in the City of Reno and in surrounding areas. These earthquakes have caused damage to some structures in the area. It is possible that more earthquakes will continue to occur, possibly intensifying in magnitude. Authorities are requesting that all residents of the Reno area to take the following precautions. Be prepared to take the proper actions if an earthquake occurs. If indoors, take cover under a piece of sturdy furniture. Stay away from windows, doors, and exterior walls. If outdoors, move away from buildings, lights, and utility poles. If in a vehicle, stop in an open area, away from buildings, trees or overpass. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets for further updates on this dangerous situation.
still be popular. Fourthly, if there was no Android, Apple would definitely be more happy. Also, Nokia would be glad as feature phones would still be popular. Lastly, if there was no Google Docs, then it will be great